Hi guys! Welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about all new 2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050DE launched first look, full details explained. So make sure to watch the full video. The new adventure bike for 2023 Suzuki V Strom 1050 made us very nervous in advance. Suzuki V Strom 1050 remains true to its line, but comes for 2023 in a smart Dual Explorer variant with a large 21-inch front wheel and other upgrades. Will it be the new model with the 700 cubic parallel 2-cylinder that is already getting hot in the rumor mills? It's coming with Intermot and EICMA. There are still 2 new product fairs. Suzuki can still present a lot. The Suzuki V Strom 1000DE will not only be available in Germany. The 2023 V Strom 1050DE does not stand for a version only available in Germany, but for Dual Explorer. And this 2023 V Strom 1050DE seems to be very cleverly designed purely in terms of data, and thus represents a clever alternative to the usual off-road suspects such as KTM 890 Adventure, Triumph Tiger 900 and some others. Many features on the V Strom 1050DE for ambitious off-road. Suzuki V Strom 1050DE has 170 mm of travel at the front and 169 mm at the rear, which is 10 and 9 mm more than the conventional model. Special gravel mode for traction control and ABS that can be switched off on the rear wheel in gravel mode. Dunlop Trailmax Mixed Tour tires are suitable for ambitious off-road trips. A Suzuki V Strom 1050 is still not a lightweight. The weight also increases a little at 247 kilos with all the additional features. However, at 252 kilos, it is not the best value in a class comparison with an output of over 100 F, but still acceptable. Only the normal Suzuki V Strom 1050 has a height-adjustable screen and seat. The conventional V Strom 1050 uses more street-oriented components such as 10-spoke cast aluminum rims with Bridgestone of 41 tires, a plastic front spoiler, and narrower handlebars than the DE. The windshield is height-adjustable by 80 mm, which is only granted to the normal, cheaper V Strom 1050. Because the 2-part seat can only be changed by 20 mm for the driver on the V Strom 1050. On the DE, it is not adjustable. The revised ride-by-wire system benefits both models. The V Strom 1000 and V Strom 1000DE are in the best of company with their direct competitors between 800 and 1100. Suzuki promises a ride-by-wire system with better response and a shorter final ratio, 45/17 instead of 41/17. Gravel mode and switchable ABS only on the Suzuki V Strom 1050DE. Suzuki V Strom 1050DE is equipped with a 6-axis IMU, 3 different driving modes, A, B, and C, cornering ABS, bidirectional quickshifter, cruise control, can now be activated from 25 km/h, hill hold control, hill slope dependent control system, and lean angle dependent traction control are already very well positioned. The ABS on the rear wheel can only be deactivated on the DE, and only with the latter can the latter be switched to a G mode, gravel, with very little intervention and controlled slip. Forgot to mention, finally a color Tft display on the V Strom 1050. From spring 2023, the new V Stroms 1050 and 1050DE will be available from dealers in 3 colors each. A 5-inch color Tft display is an important feature when it comes to whether the Suzuki V Strom 1050 and its DE sister are state-of-the-art. How much does the new Suzuki V Strom 1050DE cost? Suzuki's new V Strom 10 2022 will go on sale in Germany from 15,000 euros, plus additional costs, over 1,000 euros more expensive than the current model. But it is also better equipped, with heated grips, and various windshields. And if you have a few euros left, you can order cases and decal kits directly from Suzuki. What do you think about the new V Strom 1050DE? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.